The maker of a cutting-edge slingshot promotes its advancement, but some observers may experience a wave of nostalgia upon seeing it. This is because the contraption bears a striking resemblance to the homemade slingshots that children crafted to launch small fruits and berries. Nevertheless, this modern invention is far more hazardous and can inflict serious damage. Indeed, it is prohibited in several areas, including China, Norway, and Iceland, a decision that is entirely justified given its destructive potential. The slingshot is designed to shoot not only paintball pellets but also arrows, transforming it into a potentially deadly weapon. Despite this, the maker targets hunters and anglers, boasting a launch velocity of roughly 107 meters per second and offering a premium set for the price of approximately $139. The MAMBA compound crossbows, also recognized as pistol crossbows, have captured attention online due to their small dimensions and lightweight construction. Even though they measure only 41 centimeters in length and weigh roughly 1 kilogram. These crossbows exhibit remarkable features like quiet bowstring tensioners and inventive designs that render them ideal for hunting. A key benefit of these crossbows is their adaptability for shooting in restricted spaces, as they enable swift preparedness for firing. Nevertheless, some people contend that the reverse limb system incorporated in these crossbows serves as a marketing gimmick rather than a crucial attribute. In spite of the controversy surrounding the reverse limb system, these crossbows are priced between $400 and $500, signifying that they deliver considerable worth. Though Legolas may boast a unique talent in shooting 3 arrows, this air-powered crossbow delivers a faster second arrow. One review even asserts it can take down a bear with a range of 69 meters and an initial arrow speed of around 137 meters per second. Weighing approximately 4 kilograms, the weapon features a sight and emphasizes its large capacity with enough air in the magazine for 25 shots. The PCP release technology also allows for recoil-free shooting. Interested buyers should note that the price of this impressive weapon stands at $500. Slingshot innovators have pushed the envelope by designing a slingshot rifle, now accessible in stores. The seller suggests that this particular model is designed for seasoned shooters with a strong grasp of mechanics. The apparatus comes with a significant price of $488, owing to its exclusive features such as triple pulls for firing, and the employment of steel pellets varying from 4 to 6 millimeters in diameter. The slingshot rifle can hold 10 to 20 pellets simultaneously, although some enthusiasts might choose a single 18mm pellet or even bolder carbon arrows. Weighing between 300 and 400 grams no matter the chosen option, safety must remain the primary focus for every user. The subject at hand has sparked considerable debate among online forums and YouTube comment sections, primarily revolving around whether it should be classified as a crossbow. The inventors of the device chose to employ micro limbs rather than traditional crossbow limbs, resulting in a patented solution they've coined as a torsion crossbow. Nonetheless, not everyone agrees with this categorization. Setting aside the terminological dispute, let's examine the device's specifications. Weighing 4.5 kilograms and able to launch arrows at 112 meters per second, this crossbow, or torsion crossbow depending on one's perspective, is a mere 10 centimeters wide. A prominent marketing slogan for the product encourages hunters to concentrate on enhancing their hunting experience instead of merely upgrading their equipment. This particular improvement carries a price tag of $2,495. And thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, Share your thoughts in the comments section, and subscribe to stay updated on future content.